Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight I want to address a little bit of a mistake I made on the last video, and I didn't look at the instructions on the ARP head bolts. I don't know where my mind was, but I was just going to go by the book. The book said 59 foot-pounds. The ARP instructions actually says to torque those bolts to 70 foot-pounds. So I came out here a while ago, pulled one bolt at a time out. I didn't need to take them all back out because the head's already torqued down. I did follow the torque sequence though. Pulled one bolt out, put some new thread sealant on it, and stuck it back in there and torqued that bolt down to 70 foot-pounds, so on and so forth. The reason why I pulled it out and put new thread sealant on it, because if you do turn that bolt, of course it's going to break that seal on that thread sealant. So that was my fault. I didn't look at the instructions for the ARP head bolts. I didn't do the research. I didn't follow my own rule, basically. So, we're human. We make mistakes. That's how it is. We learn from our mistakes and we move on. Tonight, what I want to do is, I got some parts in this week. They're called Smog TheThermactor plugs. They're for a 302 and a 351. This right here was the seller. I got them on eBay for $9.89. Not real expensive. You get 4 of them in a pack. These things actually have an OD and a ID thread in it. If that camera will focus. But that thing has an OD and an ID thread in it. And I never actually paid attention before, but there's actually 2 of them. This is why you get 4 of them. There's actually one on this side of the head on the front and one on this side of the head on the front. So what I want to do is, on the back of these 302s, for the Smog, they actually have a tube that crosses over. Right here, mine's been cut off. I cut my tube off. Basically swapped the blocks around, put the solid side of the block against the hole to try to block the hole off. This one, as you can see, is full of carbon. This one isn't. I can stick my finger in that one right there. So we're going to run a 5/8 11 tap in there, clean the threads out because I'm sure it's probably full of carbon, and install them. And hopefully the next video, when I come back out here, I'll work on the push rods. The reason why I did tonight, because I wanted to come out here and basically correct my mistake that I made on my foot-pounds on my head bolts. So let me get set up, guys, and we're going to start installing those TheThermactor plugs. All right, let's get this taken off, pull it off. Like I said, this thing is actually full of carbon, man. I mean, it's got a lot of carbon. I mean, look at this. Look at that right there, guys. So that's why we're going to take and run the tap in there, chase some threads out. So we got a 5/8 11 tap. Let's see if we can't get this thing started in here. Like I said, this thing's got a lot of carbon built up in it. You can flip these things around because one side's solid. Alright, we're going to take and get the tap here. get it started straight. Got some blue Loctite on it, and it's got this bolt running inside. We're going to use this bolt to get it installed in the head. As long as we can get it in there and get the bolt back out without it coming out with the bolt. I don't think it really matters how far it goes in, as long as it's in there. And there we go, guys. It is installed. And we're going to wrap this video up. Alright, both our plugs are in. That side's in, and that side is in. And that was really simple and easy, guys. The running and tapping there was a little bit of a pain because there's so much carbon built up. It just got in and out like you normally would a tap. But that's done. Didn't have to do that, but I wanted to do it just to make the back of the heads look a little bit better. Kind of clean it up, even though you're not going to see none of that stuff. But you know, for no more than what they cost, you know, why not get them? The next video, we will most definitely be putting the push rods in and get those adjusted and torqued down, and the 302 be ready to put back in the car. That's all I got for you tonight. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you for the comments. Make sure you keep an eye out for the next video, and I will see you guys then.